Thank you very, very much. May we have all the dancers come on to give a final namaste, a final bow. Have you scattered? Please come quickly. Well, thank you. I want to say thank you, Margot, who organized the entire festival. We would meet periodically on Thursdays on Zoom to try to put the program together, and you can see that the efforts have been really fantastic with all of the offerings that we've had. So thank you, everyone. Margot, do you want to announce the next program?
Margot.
Thank you so much, Aggie, and all of the Bala Dance of South India. It's fantastic, and it's amazing how the continuity of this can continue with dedicated teachers like Aggie. We're going to just have a short break. We will have then the second Bharatanatyam troupe, which is Kalanjali Dances of India, which is based right here in Berkeley and has been going for more than 50 years. Catherine Kuniraman will tell you more about that when she comes to the stage, but I encourage you to go out. There's amazing world-known textile experts in the small recital hall with beautiful Indonesian textiles. So take a moment to go see that. The food truck will be here only till 4:30 or 4:45. Go have a snack, and then Kalanjali will start in a few minutes as we change sets. And then after Kalanjali will be a final Lestari dance troupe of Java, and then we'll take a break after 5 time until the evening performances. And the evening performances, I'll be selling tickets at the door for anybody who hasn't had one. Thank you so much, and be sure to come back for Manikhan Sarod with Tabla, and for Pusaka Sunda, and for Kamalan Sakarjai in the evening. Thank you so much. Oh, does anybody, oh there you are.